How to make text smaller on Snapchat. Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to make text smaller in Snapchat or change the font size or the text size in Snapchat. So please watch the full video. The procedure is same in Android as well as iOS devices. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Snapchat, you will see this type of interface. So now record your video for your story or now I have recorded the video. So before tapping on the next button, you should have to tap on the T option, I mean the text option on the upper right corner. Once you tap on this, here type your text. Let's suppose I'm typing my text. Let's suppose Snapchat. Now here select the text format, text style you want. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one. After that, pinch the text with 2 fingers, but keep in mind that your finger should be on the text. Now I am increasing its size, and here with 2 fingers I am decreasing its size. So that is the method. After that you can tap on the next option. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. Thanks.